Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to show you my homework. My mentor gave me super lab homework to config apa ya? So my mentor uh, told us to make super lab and config the super lab and present that the uh, super lab that I made to into YouTube, into my YouTube channel. So this is my super lab. So I will explain to you, and uh, so in this video I want to explain my super lab to you. So here is the point that I have config in my super lab. There is OSPF, EIGRP, redistribute, and STP priority. It means spanning tree protocol. Then Ether channel LHCP, it's open vendor, VLAN, DHCP VLAN, DHCP relay, NAT, HSRP, and the last one is VTP. So here is my super lab. I'll make this as a building. This the first floor, and this is the second floor. So first let's see the OSPF. At OSPF I use Mikrotik. Here's router Mikrotik. Let's see the config. Let's see the configuration. I think SPF create. Oh, create. Okay, in this router Mikrotik, I advertise the VLAN network, VLAN 30 and VLAN 14, and the interface goes to router 13. This one is SPF. And to give the PC an IP, I use static instead of DHCP. Set the subnet mask. This is the gateway from Mikrotik. Here. So we can check link to the gateway to reply. Next, the second point is EIGRP. I config the EIGRPs in here, the router 1, to advertise this VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. I use Cisco. So this Cisco Mikrotik. Whatever it is. Do show run section EIGRP. Here's the network of VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, and here is the Ether channel goes to R13, as you can see here. Next to the third point is redistribute. So of course I config the redistribute at router 13 because the router 13 is in between the routing protocols. Here's the AIGRP and HBF. So I redistribute to connect between different routing protocols. Do show run. Here the router AIGRP redistribute to SPF 200 metric 11111 and router SPF redistribute AIGRP. So next, the fourth point, SDP priority, spanning tree protocol priority. I config here in SW3. Show run. SDP mas? Config lah. Ngeliatnya. Show run SDP. To show spanning tree. To show spanning tree. So I set the priority into 4097 because the default is 3000 and sekian enggak 4000 sekian 4000 ETC rak terchannel. Next, into the fifth point, ether channel. As you can see here, there is a double port, or we can say it's double port. So I'll make this into one physical port, one physical port using ether channel. So ether channel summary. Yes, protocol LCP, SMS the perintah, SMS the order, and this switch to become inactive and SW3 become passive. Next, into VLAN, as you can see there is a lot of VLAN 10, VLAN 20, 13 and 14, and that's all. And DHCP VLAN, I use DHCP VLAN in this router 13. Show run. Here IP DHCP pool VLAN 10 and 20 because the 13 and 14 is static. Here's the network, so let's try. Because there's no IP here, as you can see there's 0 IP DHCP. Let's wait until the text going to DORA. So it works. This is the gateway, and this is the IP for PC9. Next, DHCP relay. So because if I config the DHCP server Here, the VLAN cannot get the IP address because it's different network. So I use DHCP relay in router 1. DHCP relay, it use IP helper address here in interface that goes into VLAN. So I use root on stick. So I put the IP helper in interface root on stick. Here. Dot 20 is for VLAN 20 and 10 is for 10. VLAN 10. Next, NAT. So instead of use NAT from Cisco router, I use the easy one, the MikroTik. Here with the net. So I use uh, use this MikroTik as a DHCP client, and this is the DHCP server. Oh, here. Here's the IP. It means dynamic. Ether 3 goes to with the internet. And then HSRP is HSRP op op redundant
Hot, hot.
hot HSRP hot standby router protocol,
Hot.
or we can call it as redundant, because when the interface down, so the message will be sent in the secondary router or link, and the main link is, I think, is in this router 20 to show standby brief. As you can see, the state is active. It means this router is the main link, and the standby link or backup link is, or the secondary link is router 11. Here's the config. This is standby 1 IP. This is IP virtual or IP goib, because this there are no interface. There are no interface to this IP, so it's virtual because using HSRP and standby 1 preamp. And the last one is VTP, VLAN trunking protocol. I config the VTP in SW2, switch 2, and switch 3. The switch 3 become VTP server. VTP, you show VTP. Security status. The switch 3 becomes the VTP server, and the SW2 is VTP client. Okay. and that's all the point. So the last check is this Jokowi as a PC can ping all this PC or this router, or can ping the internet. So let's see the IP. There is no IP, and put the IP inside. The subnet mask, and then the gateway, because we use HSRP, so the gateway is the IP virtual, not using the port point one. Don't forget to save and try to ping the internet. So it replied, and that's all for my presentation. Hopefully this video can be understandable. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification to get more any videos like this. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.